Hello saviors and welcome, my name is SaveR24 and today we're going to be continuing Deadbolt. Last time we managed to get into some twin trouble and test out our new scythe, which is awesome by the way, and now we get to... The flames stay extinguished. The club the candles have been investigating has suddenly gone quiet. Along with the candles, what happened inside? Mission unlocked. There is no intel. The fireplace remains quiet. So did something happen to our agents? Our candles? So last time we got into some twin trouble and now it looks like we're going into some vampire bat situation. This club is strangely quiet. What happened? Ooh, good question. Let's see what happens. Whoa, what the... Really? These guys can see in the dark. Ooh, that makes things tricky. That didn't work. Okay, and... Yeah, take that. Ooh, PDW, and it's suppressed. That could be useful. But apparently, these vampire bats don't give a crap if it's light, if it's light or dark. They'll still kill me either way. What is that? What is that weapon? Oh, a landmine. Okay, so what does this vent access to? Oh, behind this guy, huh? Get out of here. Is that that's an elevator. Okay, so at least now I have access to the next part. So, here we go. Oh, this is going to be tricky. Okay, so I'm not going to go here just yet. I'm going to go back, grab that landmine, and set up a trap for the vampire bat. The other guy will be easy to deal with, especially with a PDW. I'm going to ditch my scythe for now. Set the landmine here. Go down in an elevator. They both died. I'm going to go back real quick and grab my scythe. Because I like my scythe. I'm not sure how I'm going to get to that phylactery, but it's going to be a necessity to do that. Yeah, take that, pal. You're not getting it. You're not getting out of it that easily. Okay, so now... Oh, now I gotta access the toilet there. Didn't even realize it was a toilet. Okay, now I have an escape route. Kill him. Uh-oh. Back up. Where does this lead me to? Oh, it's a third button for the elevator. That's nice. Okay, so where are these guys? I can use this in order to get around. But I don't see anybody. It says kill him, but I guess I'm going to have to prepare for an all-out war, so I might have to ditch my scythe for now. Uh-oh. Yeah, that was just a slaughter. And I still got lots of ammunition. Can even get more. That wasn't a lot. Okay. It won't matter. I'll still be able to gain access to some more ammunition. Oh, goody gumdrops. Oh. This will be far better than anything I was expecting. Oh, this is gonna work out too well. Way too well. Wait for the door to open. That was simple, but I only had one round in the shotgun left. I'm surprised I really didn't die there. Looks like a PDAW wanted to follow me down. Wow, they brought in an arsenal of people to get me and didn't even get the chance to. So I only died twice on that. That was pretty good. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting that much, but it's still... The situation is getting intense, and there's a black cat up there I didn't notice. The flames roar to life. The undead have somehow been turning their own bodies into ash. Is that the purpose of all these clubs? Sir Stella, the head of the Thousand-Year Royals, most likely knows how this was done. He will know the key, betrayal of kin. A man without guilt cannot live with me. Sir Stella's private condominium is heavily guarded, so expect heavy opposition. The Stellas are royal family vampires. Any activity in the Thousand-Year Royals would not go without them knowing. Okay. So now this is going to get a little interesting. I'm kind of curious as to what I have. I'll have a few credits and I could possibly buy something from that one guy, but I think I'll hold off for now. Sir Stella, the vampire leader, must know about what happened. I'm willing to bet that there's like 5 of these sets of scenarios. You have done a good job, friend. Feel pride in what you help craft. Skeletons. Ooh. Yeah, so they're gonna introduce all kinds of undead all the time. Okay, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this with a knife, but I don't know what else to take. I got an idea. That didn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna need a gun. I need a gun for this setup, so I'm gonna take the pistol. Okay. Dang it! I was trying to get a hold of that before I died, but it was a little late. There we go. Just enough ammo to kill all those guys and get a sledgehammer. Ooh, okay, so that's going to be nice to use. Could I possibly use the elevator? Don't tell me it'll be the end of me. Oh, crap. Oh, I thought I was wielding a shotgun. I was... Crap. Crap, I ran out of ammo. Okay, let's switch to the suppressed pistol. That way I at least have more rounds to use. There we go. Much better. Not sure if this is a good idea, but I'm going to try it anyways. No! It was a good idea, but I double tapped and it screwed me over. Dang it. Wow, that guy just came in. I was expecting him to die after the couple of shots. Die. Okay, so not enough ammo to do what I was going to... well, actually, I can do it, but it's not going to be a great idea still. Oh, I'm so lucky there. Okay, come on down. Well, he can certainly swing that thing faster than I can. Out of ammo. Okay, so let's just do this differently. Ah! And just before I got closed the door, too. I can't get to the gun without getting killed, so I'm gonna have to try and do something differently here. Take cover! I went to take cover. He didn't take cover. I had the opportunity. Come on, seriously. Take cover, please. This is not working. Thank you. Well, I screwed up. I had it, but then I screwed it up. This is not working. Here we go. I just died. Pirouette. Okay, I got an achievement for that. Not exactly sure what it is. I am not doing well on this. Did I seriously kill one of those guys in the back with my knife? Well, I guess I could do that from the very get-go, so... Ooh, that was close. And snipe. Well, that time it worked pretty well, though I doubt I'm going to get a second shot at that. Okay, so now I'm just going to need to use the vents for this part. Oh, wait, what? Really, these guys can take the guise of a dead corpse. Dang it. I didn't double tap, so I screwed up. What happened to my knife? Shouldn't it have killed one of those two? There we go, much better. Take that. No more sledgehammers. Wait, what just happened there? Seriously, I stepped right past him and he... What? Okay, I'm gonna have to wait till the sledgehammer dude gets all the way to the other end of the room. Okay, now I just gotta wait until the other guy... I can't throw the sledgehammer because it's way too heavy. Oh, combat shotgun. That's gonna be the weapon I need. Now what? Oh, I gotta use the elevator. Old World Rifle. In other words, an AK-47. This is a tough mission. Did they shoot the head off of that vampire? There we go. Take the sledgehammer because... Oh my gosh, that's a lot of locks. That becomes a little tedious after a while. There we go, much better. Stage cleared. Oh, I did not see him! No! Right after all that! Aha! Never bring a knife to a gunfight. Gotcha. Okay. Grab the gun, grab the sledge. Get two at one. And now... No way! Oh, I should have killed that guy. Okay, no worries. I just gotta simply wait for him to come through the door and... Crunch. Grab the combat shotgun. Okay, so I wasn't being smart about this last time. I used up all my old world rifle ammo, and I should have used my shotgun, because they're right behind a freaking door, facing the other direction. I could have just unloaded on them, and they would have died. So, here goes the smarter decision. Much better. Oh boy, here's this again. Yeah, there we go. Now I gotta be careful on my way back because there may be more of these guys. So going down. Hopefully this guy comes through the door. I'm waiting for him. I am so waiting for him. Gotcha! Really? They were waiting for me too, but they were being... Oh gosh, no. Oh, he didn't see me! Thank goodness! Yes! I got through that! I died 24 times! That was ridiculous of a mission. Okay, so... Hi, kitty. Okay, so I'm gonna go check up with the merchant and see what he possibly has for me. I know he's got a lot to offer, and I could definitely use more than a suppressed pistol. My scythe is great, but it won't cut everything. MG, tactical MG, semi-auto shotgun, suppressed shotgun. Okay, yeah, there we go. A tactical MG. That'll be so helpful in future missions. I'll parry it alongside my knife. It'll definitely help me out. So now I'm more well-roundedly set for the future missions ahead. Alright, so that's going to have to be the end of this, so for now I'm just going to leave this episode here. That was a hard mission. I don't know why I was doing it so poorly. The skeletons bring out a new introduce a new combat setup that I have to be careful of, because they can appear at... They'll appear at specific places, but you won't notice them until it's too late. And that's what's really going to be problematic about them. But for now, this is going to have to be the end of this episode. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Leave a comment in the section below, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Take care, everybody.